Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 10 Plus. Firstly, open Play Store. Then download an app called Clone It on both devices. Open it. Click Allow. And agree. You want to go with sender on an Android and receiver on TCL. Tap Allow again and choose Set. Enable location by tapping on the switcher and go back. Now go with receiver again and tap Search again. Click on available device when it will show up. From here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan, click Allow and scan the code. Now accept connection request by clicking OK. Normally you want to tap all of those folders to send all of your files, but I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will just click here and choose only one file, for example this video. So I have to tap on it, click Start and OK. Now wait. Tap Finish. And now when I go into videos, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!